This is our kitty. We make a video about him, and today was picture day. That's why I'm learning and stuff. But I don't want to be that. I want to be careful because my last video I got seriously injured on the cat. Wait, stop it! Oh my god, my cat's being a jerk. I think he just changed his look on me. Oh my god, stop! The cat's trying to get away. He's escaping from jail. Get out of jail. Oh my god. Grant. You can't see Grant. Okay, you can barely see Grant. But, Grant's gonna have a birthday in a couple days. Oh my gosh! I just got scratched, guys. You can't see it in the camera, but I can see it. Dude, I already know what to name this video. Cat being a jerk. Cat being a jerk. Now he's playing. Get over here. Get over. This cat. My kitty. Guys, I hear footsteps. The kitty's trying to get out. We should head into a spot. Oh my god! Okay, man. Okay, no, get the cat. The cat's going to the bathroom. This cat's being a big jerk right now. Yeah. He's not want to live with. And the one day I made, on Monday, the one day I made that video, our cat attacked us, was one day that I had to love the kitten. Bring him to me. Wow. Trash. Come here, kitty. Yay, kitty's here again.
Yeah, he is.
What the heck is this? No. Okay, guys, our goal by the end of the month is 20 subscribers. And this video, I don't really like. Let's get like 7 likes. If it's 20, let's get to 20. But 20 subscribers is the goal for the end of the month. And you guys want to see Grant? If you guys want to see Grant in the next video, leave a comment. Because I might make a video without Eli and a video without Grant. I might just make them two together. Because Eli's laptop, YouTube doesn't work. And Grant, he says his doesn't work at all.
No, mine, I have a game, so, like, I could just play them.
Do you have YouTube still?
Kitten, shut up!
Okay, guys, bye. 20 subscribers by the end of the month. 5 likes on this if you liked it, and if it's 20, 20. See you later.